In today's video, we are going to do count aggregate function. The arithmetic functions we did in our last video were sum, average, minimum, and maximum. One left in that video, that was count. So let's start doing with the statement that select count first name from employee. Now see, total first name are 107. It means total 107 employees are working in that particular department or organization, right? So, yeah, organization. So, the department wise, we need to find out. So, for that, we can give, or if we first of all want to see, you know, distinct, how many distinct first names are there, means we need to find out. Here in the bracket we will put distinct. It will cut the duplicate names and it will show you distinct and then first name from employees. Now let's see. Now it has shown just 91. It means the rest are duplicate names. So that we have already done that from so many letters, sometimes the names are same, starting with the same letter, and exactly same names are there. That we can find out by doing select first name from employees, where first name like capital A, and it should be in codes, right? Capital A and then percentage, and then we will see so many names with starting with A. But is there any duplicate name? No. With A, Alexander is there. Alexander, duplicate name. Similarly, from so many, you can see select uh, with A. We can change it and we can see whether is there any duplicate name. Means two people can be having same name, right? So here you can have capital S. Yeah, capital S. You can check again. The two people are having same name. Stephen is two times. So the count with the distinct are eliminating the duplicate name, right? So here we have selected that first name, their first name is this, and then this. Here we did count first name. Total he has it has returned 107. And now when we write distinct keyword also with the count, it is showing just the unique names, cut short the duplicate. Okay, so duplicate names can further be differentiated when we use last name. You can do that again, where you can here you can write down last name. Now you will see the difference, right? Here you can see the duplicate name. The two people are having same first name, which is Stephen. Stephen here, but the last names are different. Last name is King and here last name is Markov. So you come to know, right? So but distinct eliminates duplication of the first name, right? Because here we used first name. So now next is we can also group by. We can use group by keyword along with the this aggregate function. So by writing select count, and with count we can, if we want to give group by, so department ID, comma, also we want to give aggregate function count, and then whatever field you want to give over here, department wise you want to see which field you are supposed to give over here. From employees, now here you can write group by, now again department ID. It will show you first name of all those employees who are present in particular department wise. See, it has shown that in department 100 there are 6 employees, department 30 there are 6, and then same way in department 10 there is 1, department 60 there is 5. So to be more particular, uh, for this we can also use having with the group by. Having clause we can use. Having is just like, where, with the simple select, whatever, where performs whichever function, that the same function is performed by having, right? So we can give that. So we can write select department ID here. We can also write here select department ID, comma, count first name from employees group by department ID. Having clause we have used here. Having department ID 60. So it will return just department ID 60. So here there is one, I think, mistake of space between select and department. Here we can add space and then hit enter. So see, it has shown just having clause has done the same work what where does with the select statement. Here 60, we wanted just department ID 60 and how many total employees are there. So it has shown that department 60 is having 5. Here also it has given that 5. Same way you can change the department ID. If you can also give greater than less than. If you give greater than 40, then it will show you. With having we can use this thing. Greater than, less than. So greater than, if we will add over here 40, then it will show all the departments greater than 40, right? So if you will write greater than, or you can write less than 60. So just to see which operators are can we use over here. So we can use less than also. Less than, we can change it to 60. Less than 60. It will show now less than 60 departments and it has counted. Same way you can count the salary department wise by changing this field name first name to the salary, and by changing this aggregate function from count to sum, you can count how much salary is provided in any particular department. Thank you. Bye bye.